Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue the next update of 1st to 28th of February 2026 part 3. Let's continue. Sansa-Yugal blue holes reveals complex ocean history. Sansa-Yugal blue hole, which is also called Dragon Hole, present in the South China Sea, which is a 301.19 meter deep complex marine sinkhole. It serves as the important it serves as the important critical isolated natural archive for studying ocean history. It helps in knowing about ocean history, climate change, and extreme microbial life. So its unique tilting three-dimensional structure indicates it formed via ancient karstic processes and collapse with a deeper section holding anoxic stagnant waters that differ significantly from other known blue holes. So scientists studied the Sansa Yugal blue hole in the South China Sea to understand ancient ocean history. So it is considered the world's deepest known blue hole. अभी तक का सबसे गहरा ज्ञात ब्लू होल माना जाता है और इसका जियोलॉजिकल आर्चिव ये होता है कि ब्लू होल के सेडिमेंट्स में दीर्घकालीन जलवायु और महासागरीय रिकॉर्ड सुरक्षित है. सो सेडिमेंट्स इनसाइड द ब्लू होल preserve long-term climate and ocean records. Scientists observe unique oxygen depleted water layers inside it. Scientists ने observe किया कि ऑक्सीजन की कमी वाली विशेष जल परतें देखी है. Study helps understand ancient monsoon and climate variation. Blue hole hosts unique marine microbial ecosystem. This finding provide insight into historical ocean circulation patterns. So it is important breakthrough किसमें होगा marine geology के लिए paleo oceanography के लिए. So important example of climate reconstruction through ocean sediments. So deepest यूनिक सिंपल वर्टिकल shaft है जिसको ड्रैगन हॉल बेंड्स एंड स्टिल्ट एज इट डिसेंड्स with the deepest point shifting over 100 meters horizontally from the surface opening. So it has a ballad shoe shape. इसका shape कैसा है? Ballad shoe shape, wider at the top and narrowing at and widening again, suggesting a multi-stage formation. To deepest status and location located near the Parcel Islands. It was formally confirmed as a world's का deepest blue hole 301.19 meter before being surpassed by the Thames hole in Mexico. So it's an important point. So it's below approximately 100 meters. The hole has no oxygen or water circulation, resulting in a stagnant, nutrient-poor environment. So anoxic environment. That environment is called anoxic environments in unique microbiome. Despite there is a no oxygen, lack of oxygen, the deeper layer supports specialized sulfur-loving bacteria and bacteria reliant depend on chemosynthesis, offering insight into early life on Earth. So research suggests that hole formed during periods of low sea levels, potentially involving volcanic related acid gas dissolution followed by collapse, providing a record of sea level fluctuation. So scientific research marine, it's helpful in marine plantologies, and it provides chemical cycles informations, and where it is important for viral ecology also to know about the previously unknown viruses in the lower layers. Next update is Lancet study question. Lancet, with the help of Lancet, it is questions HbA1c accuracy, whether it is accurate for diabetes in India or not. So Lancet Region Health Southeast Asia study found that HbA1c is a standard diabetes test. It may not accurately diagnose diabetes in India due to reason are due to high rates of anemia, hemoglobin disorder, G6PD deficiency. So what is G6PD deficiency? It is a common genetic disorder which is caused due to the shortage of enzyme glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase. These enzymes glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase protect red blood cell. So when it is triggered by any infection, certain drugs or faba beans, it causes hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic anemia means early destruction of red blood cell, resulting in fatigue, jaundice and dark urine. So because of the Indians are suffering from anemia, hemoglobin disorders, G6PD deficiency, this test may not HbA1c test may not accurately diagnose diabetes in India. So key findings of Lancet study, the study highlights that relying
totally on HbA1c is problematic in South Asia because of high prevalence of condition affecting red blood cell lifespan such as anemia, hemoglobinopathies like sickle cell disease, thalassemia, and G6PD deficiency. It also gives information about delayed diagnosis and misclassification, HbA1c inability to consistently reflect true blood glucose in this population leads to inaccurate diabetes diagnosis, underdiagnosis or overdiagnosis. So these are the drawbacks. There are also G6PD deficiency, which impact deficiency common in India. It produces false low HbA1c values. It provides false low HbA1c values, delaying diagnosis by over 5 years. Even the patient is suffering from diabetes. Misleading public health data is also provides. So it is important information about the Lancet study. HB it's the Lancet में प्रकाशित अध्ययन ने भारत में HbA1c टेस्ट की सटीकता पर सवाल उठा दिया है। HbA1c पिछले 2-3 महीनों के औसत रक्त ग्लूकोज लेवल को मापता है। सो रिसर्चर्स फाउंड HbA1c में मिसक्लासिफाइड डायबिटीज इन मेनी इंडियंस, कंडीशन एनीमिया आयरन डिफिशियंसी जो इफेक्ट करता है HbA1c की रीडिंग्स को। सो हाई प्रिवलेंस ऑफ एनीमिया इन इंडिया मेक्स द इशू इम्पोर्टेंट। तो स्टडी सजेस्ट कंबाइनिंग HbA1c की टेस्ट किया जाए, उसके साथ ग्लूकोज बेस्ड टेस्ट भी होनी चाहिए। सो एक्यूरेट डायबिटीज डायग्नोसिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ट्रीटमेंट एंड प्रिवेंशन। फाइंडिंग में इन्फ्लुएंस फ्यूचर डायबिटीज स्क्रीनिंग गाइडलाइंस। So it is important example of population specific medical diagnosis. So why HbA1c falls out in India? Because of anemia prevalence, hemoglobin variants, environmental factors also. Next update is ISRO selects South Polar Site for Chandrayaan 4 lander. So ISRO has selected MM4 in the Mons Mountain region near the Moon's South Pole as a primary landing site for the Chandrayaan 4 mission, which is planned for 2028. So this site was chosen for having the lowest hazard level and safest terrain aimed at collecting 2-3 kg of lunar samples. So what are the key details of selected site MMM4? Location latitude is 84.2.89, longitude is 32.808 degree E, located near the rim of Mons Mountains. Evaluated against MM1, MM3, MM5, MM4 area offers 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer safe zone with only a 5-degree average slope, roughly 9.89% hazard density. So its proximity to permanently shadowed region containing water ice. So landing, what are the landing advantages? It provides sufficient sunlight, sunlight of 11 to 12 days for solar power and fewer hazards, which is ideal for landing the complex multi-module sample return craft. So Indian Space Research Organization ने चंद्रयान 4 के लिए चंद्रमा के दक्षिण ध्रुव साउथ पोल के पास लैंडिंग साइट को चुना है। चंद्रयान 4 का उद्देश्य लूनर सॉइलर रॉक सैंपल को पृथ्वी अर्थ में लाना। द लूनर साउथ पोल में कंटेन वाटर आइस रिजर्व. This mission will help study moon's geology and lunar evolution. This sample return mission are more complex than landing only mission. So it builds upon success of किसके success पे build हुआ? चंद्रयान 3 के success पे. So it could support failure future, it could support not failure future lunar bases and human exploration. It strengthens India's deep exploration capabilities. Next update is Agista Space achieved India's first in orbit snooping capability. So India's private space sector has marked a significant technology milestone as domestic aerospace from Agista Space successfully demonstrated in-orbit imaging of another space object. So it is this company's Agista base, Agista Space is Ahmedabad-based company which is achieved a major milestone. It achieved a major milestone. It achieved a major milestone. Ahmedabad Agista Space has achieved a major milestone company to demonstrate in orbit snooping or space surveillance. There is 80 kg Earth observation satellite है ये, and ABA first runner successfully captured images of National Space Station from 250 to 300 kilometer away in February 2026. What are the key aspects of this achievement is the AFR satellite captured 15 images of ISS over two independent attempts on February 3rd, 2026, validating indigenous tracking algorithm and sensor precision. So it is a Ahmedabad-based Agista space which achieved a milestone. Strategic importance are also there. This capability enables close-up imaging of other satellites and commonly known as a space situational awareness. इसको क्या कहते हैं? Commonly कहते हैं space situational awareness और in orbit spying जो important है मॉनिटर कर सके पोटेंशियल थ्रेट्स को डेब्रिस को. ये सैटेलाइट ABA फर्स्ट रनर AFR is an 80 kg satellite launched on a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket पे. SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket in June 2023. It is designed for Earth observation and has been operating for over 2.5 years. So these accomplishment marks important move for India's private sector into until now state-dominated fields nodes. The print. Now next update is cancer cell reprogram immune cell to help tumor growth. So cancer cell actively program human cell, specifically neutrophils, to foster tumor growth rather than destroy it. So researchers found that these reprogrammed neutrophils produce a molecule, and that molecule is chemokine CCL3, which promotes tumor progression, effectively turning the body's defenders into supporters of the disease. So what are the key findings on immune reprogramming? First is neutrophil transformation, production of chemokine CCL3, significance of the study targeting the mechanism immune system evasion. So it is an important breakthrough. It is an important breakthrough. So cancer cell scientists discovered that cancer cell can reprogram immune cell to support tumor growth. वैज्ञानिकों ने पाया कि कैंसर सेल इम्यून सेल को बदलकर ट्यूमर ग्रोथ में मदद ले लिया जा सकता है. So tumors manipulate immune cell instead of being destroyed by them. ट्यूमर इम्यून सेल द्वारा नष्ट होने के बजाय, ट्यूमर जो इम्यून सेल के द्वारा नष्ट होने के बजाय उन्हें रीप्रोग्राम कर सकता है, नियंत्रित कर सकता है. सो दिस प्रोसेस चेंज द ट्यूमर माइक्रो एनवायरमेंट इन फेवर ऑफ कैंसर. सो रीप्रोग्राम इम्यून सेल हेल्प ट्यूमर सर्वाइव एंड स्प्रेड. So this discovery improves understanding of cancer progression, important for development of advanced cancer immunotherapy. And this treatment provides reprogramming may help stop tumor growth. ये reprogramming stop करेगा tumor growth को. तो इस finding में क्या है? न्यूट्रोफिल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किया जाएगा, जो कि कैंसर सेल जो एक्टिवली हम रीप्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं इम्यून सेल को, वो इम्यून सेल कौन है? न्यूट्रोफिल्स. सो इट बिकम्स द फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस अगेंस्ट इन्फेक्शन are manipulated by tumor environment to help cancer development. So these altered neutrophils produce high levels of CCL3 molecule, which is the key driver in tumor expansion. So what are the significance of the study? So researchers from the University of Geneva and the Ludwig Institute for Cancer Research and discovered this mechanism, which could serve as an indicator for disease progression and a target for new therapies. Without the ability to produce CCL3, these neutrophils lose their pro-tumor properties. These are the mechanism. So without the ability to produce CCL3, these neutrophils lose their pro-tumor properties, highlighting a potential pathway for treatments. So immune system evasion beyond reprogramming, studies indicate cancer cell develop strategies such as triggering a specific non-lethal signal, DMPS, to help in destruction by the immune system. So this mechanism of functional reprogramming was published in Cancer Cell Journal. Next update is NASA SpareX detects organic molecule in interstellar comet. So NASA SpareX Space Telescope has detected has detected a rich mixture of organic molecules including methanol, methane and cyanides in the interstellar comet. वो comet क्या 31 Atlas. So NASA SpaceX Space Telescope ने detect किया rich mixture किस चीज का organic molecule क्या क्या है methanol, methane, cyanides in the interstellar comet 31 Atlas, and this rare third ever observed interstellar visitor showed a 40-fold increase in water production as solar heat broke its surface, revealing pristine material from another solar system. So, key discovery and observation, organic detection, SpaceX identified methanol, methane, cyanide in the comet's coma in December 2025, suggesting complex carbon chemistry is common in other planetary systems. It shows sudden activities after initially appearing inactive. The comet 31 Atlas experienced a dramatic delayed brightening with water and carbon dioxide output surging as it passed closer to the sun, according to NASA science reports. Pristine material has since the late stage release of gases suggests that comet's surface was coated in a refractory crust formed by cosmic radiation over billions of years, which finally cracked, releasing in the words a fresh material originating from another star system. So mission significance launch in March 2025, SpaceX mission is able to map the sky infrared, making it uniquely suited to analyze chemical composition of such rare objects. So, National Aeronautics Space Administrated SpaceX mission detected organic molecules in कहाँ पे इंटरस्टेलर कॉमेट में, और ये कॉमेट originated कहाँ से हुआ आउटसाइड अवर सोलर सिस्टम. साइंटिस्ट डिटेक्ट किया कार्बन बेस्ड ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स लिंक टू प्रीबायोटिक केमिस्ट्री. फाइंडिंग में हेल्प अंडरस्टैंड origin of life in the universe. SpaceX studies cosmic origin using infrared observation. Infrared spectroscopy help identify molecular signatures. So discovery is important for astrochemistry and planetary science. Next update is India test fires Agni-3 ballistic missile successfully. Two-stage solid-hood intermediate range ballistic missile exceeds range 3,000 to 3,500 kilometers, capable of carrying conventional or nuclear warheads. इंटीग्रेटेड टेस्ट रेंज और वो कहाँ हुआ है चांदीपुर उड़ीसा में, पार्ट ऑफ रूटीन ट्रेनिंग एक्सरसाइज टू वैलिडेट operational readiness. So it was developed by Defense Research and Development Organization, strengthen India's strategic nuclear deterrence capability को. Agni-3 क्या है? Two-stage solid with ballistic missile. It is part of India's indigenous Agni missile series. It demonstrates India's advanced missile and defense technology. Agni-3 intermediate range ballistic missile. Next update is global research and development spending hits $2.87 trillion in 2024. So global research and development स्पेंडिंग क्या कितना हो गया $2.87 ट्रिलियन पहुंच गया है. सो ग्लोबल इनोवेशन इन्वेस्टमेंट कंटिन्यू टू राइज कंपेयर टू प्रीवियस ईयर्स. यूनाइटेड स्टेट एंड चाइना रिमेन द लार्जेस्ट. यूनाइटेड स्टेट एंड चाइना जो हो गया इसका लार्जेस्ट क्या है टॉप स्पेंडर बना उसके, और द टॉप 2 फॉलोड बाय जापान. और रीजनल शिफ्ट हुआ, एशिया काउंट फॉर रफली 45% ऑफ द टोटल, इंडिकेटिंग ए स्टडी शिफ्ट ऑफ इनोवेशन कैपेसिटी टुवर्ड दिस रीजन. चाइना हैज फास्टेस्ट ग्रोथ किसमें देखा गया? चाइना हैज सीन ए नियरली 20-fold increase since 2000, while Indonesia and Turkey has so massive increases. India position क्या है? 7th with expenditure of $75.73 billion. So Asia contributes a major share to global research and development expenditure. और इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट किसमें हुआ? आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में, सेमीकंडक्टर में, ग्रीन एनर्जी में. So research and development spending drives long-term economic growth and innovation. Next update is Chandrayaan 4 South Pole landing site identified.